Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Matilda 2. So here's all the parts. Let's separate the parts that don't need any clipping away. So this one needs some clipping away. There you go. These barrels here, the fuel jettison tanks or whatever we call them. And next, the support that's underneath the gun. Be careful with this one. There you go. And clip that like that, and then clip like this, and it flies off. There you go. So there's the Matilda 2 turret. I think we're done clipping away everything. Now it's time to glue. Here's a kind of a simple little project here, just gluing the two halves of these barrels together. Fuel tank, external fuel tank, whatever it is. Just try to get that there. Okay. There's that. Next, go ahead and, well, take some glue here. Go like this. There you go. And then that'll work. So there's the first part of gluing this together. Of course, next is this one. So just make sure the edges are good with glue, and then there's some glue on the bottom edge there. And just get that glued together like that. Alright, once that's in a good position, that's good. While that's kind of drying or whatever, let's put this on. So just get some glue there. And then there you go. Very good. Alright, so now with the body of this tank, let's go ahead and get this part of the tank glued down. To do that, of course, just put some dabs of glue there. Yep, and then just go like this. Got it. Next, so you will notice this can't work, but this can. So that works. And here's the other side. So get some glue down there. Just on that edge there. Simple enough. Go and get that glued there. And then here's this. There you go. Last but not least, I guess. Put a little glue there and a little glue there. There. Alright, put that turret in. There you have it. There's the Matilda 2, available from Miniature Tanks Company at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.